afternoon and welcome to the park. So today I am not on my own. I have managed to drag Alison in. She was not prepared for this, but we want to show you that there are no excuses in life. If you want to get results, if you want to do something in your life, then you just got to do it. Not let anything get in your way, no obstacles, lack of gym wear, really doesn't matter. So we are here in the park. If you're watching on YouTube, please click subscribe. Make sure you're commenting what you liked, what you didn't like, what you want to see more of, and also share this around as much as you can. So we are here for the Big 10. And what does that mean? Well, it just means we're going to do 10 exercises or 10 repetitions of 5 different exercises. That's it. It's very simple. You can do this while the kids are playing in the park, and you can utilize your time rather than literally just sitting there wasting away. You may as well do a workout. Every park has a bench, so you've just got to find a bench and you can do this. No other equipment. All you need is a little bit of motivation. So are we ready? Let's just stretch our legs behind. We're just going to stretch our legs behind just to get a little bit warmer. Reach out. Breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Very good. 3, 2, 1. Let's just march on the spot now and roll those arms forward. 3, 2, 1, and back. Hello. 3, 2, 1. We got some people watching. Reach to the side. Very good. She's doing well with no trainers, no gym wear. 3, 2, 1. Okay, are we ready? We're going to go straight into the workout now. So the first exercise is going to be step ups off the bench. Now I'm going to be doing a step up with the knee lifted, crunching into my chest. Alison's going to do the lower level, which is just stepping up and down. Okay, are we ready, Alison? We got the Big 10. Can I get her? Whoop, whoop. Yes, let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 1. I'm losing myself. 2. 3. 4. Beautiful. Well done, Alison. Right, into squat with a curtsy and a little leg lift on the end. Are we ready? Take your weight into your heels. Let's go. Down, behind into that curtsy lunge, step down, lift that leg, squeeze it through. This is number 2. 3. Take it nice and slow and steady. 4. 3. You're doing great. 5. If we never see tomorrow, babe, I know that I lived how I wanted to. Great work. Keep it going. 7. 8. Great work, Alison. You're doing well. 9. That's good. Come out with me again. 10. Squeeze. Squeeze. Great work. Okay, moving on to the next exercise. We have got press ups off the bench. So hands just underneath your elbows, underneath your shoulders. We're going to go 10. You're going to let your body fall as you go down. It doesn't matter how low you go. 1. 2. 3. 4. If we never see tomorrow, babe, if we never make it through today, if we never see tomorrow, babe, 9. Last one, squeeze through. 10. Great work. Okay, turn it round now into some tricep dips. Thumb on the edge of the seat. You're going to take your legs out. Keep those hips lifted. We don't want them going up and down. That is the wrong move. Not here, not now. Ready, steady, let's go. 10, 9, let those elbows come back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. work. Up we get. Now we've got planks. We're going to hold that plank, tapping to the side, then going straight into spiders. 10 of each. Let's keep that core nice and tight. Hips really held tight with that core. Let's go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it there, squeeze. Now we're going to take the knee outside of the elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it there, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Okay, that is it. That literally took minutes. You don't have to do a lot. Did you find it good?
Yeah.
Okay, so it was awesome. Well done, Alison. We're going to be back here again with some more workouts. If you're watching from YouTube, please click subscribe, share this video around. If you're watching in our support group, then please click save if you weren't able to take part right now. You can take your phone to the park. You can do it wherever you are. Now, my challenge to you is to do more than one round. That's one full round. You can do it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 times if you wish. I'd love to hear how many you did. Remember, even if you did it once, then massive respect to you. It's not about anyone else, it's about what you can do, and it's about building upon that. So if you do it once now, in a few weeks you may get 2 rounds, 3 rounds out of it, and that's what you want to see. That is progression. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you, Alison.
Welcome. Thank
we will
you.
be back again. Have a wonderful day. Lots of love, and remember, you only get what you put in. Mwah! Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and have a fantastic day because you deserve it.